Just arrived here, doing a walk around. There's one on at the minute, down there in 10. No signs, no shows of nothing as of yet. Liking the look of this swim at the minute though. Bit appealing. Things are all fantastic swims. Can't see anything. Have a little walk. This swim up here is known as Jezz's. It's probably my most prolific swim on the lake, to be honest. Always hard to turn it down when it's empty, but sometimes you got to go with your gut. Pressure is really high. Dropping below -3 overnight as well. So it's a bit deeper down there when they'll be gathering. Got another one over there in the lawns. But let's get my gears ready, sorted, and see which one I go for.